Hello everyone. In this video we're going to prove the inequality x plus y over x squared times y squared is less than or equal to 2, where x and y are each greater than or equal to 1. The proof is actually very short once we know it's the right comparison. Since both x and y are at least 1, their product also satisfies that it's at least 1. So we have x times y is greater than or equal to 1. If we square both sides, we get x squared times y squared, or the quantity x times y squared, and that's going to be greater than or equal to xy, because if a number is bigger than or equal to 1 and I square it, then that square is going to be bigger than or equal to the original. Now let's consider what we have. We start off with x plus y over x squared times y squared. Because x squared times y squared is bigger than or equal to x times y, the reciprocal will be less than. So x plus y over x squared times y squared is less than or equal to x plus y over x times y. And now if I start off with x plus y over xy, I can break this up into two fractions, one being x over x times y and y over x times y. When we do that, we simplify to get 1 over x plus 1 over y. And because x and y are both bigger than or equal to 1, when I take the reciprocal of x and y, they're both going to be less than or equal to 1. So we have 1 over x and 1 over y being less than or equal to 1. So if I add these two inequalities, I get that 1 over x plus 1 over y is less than or equal to 2. So combine the inequalities. I started off with x plus y over x squared times y squared is less than or equal to x plus y over x times y, which we said that's equal to 1 over x plus 1 over y. And over here, we said that's less than or equal to 2. So therefore, we could just ignore the stuff in the middle and say that x plus y over x squared times y squared is less than or equal to 2. Now, the question is, when is this equal? When is x plus y over x squared times y squared equal to 2? Well, this happens if and only if x squared times y squared is equal to x times y, and 1 over x plus 1 over y equals 2. And so since x times y is greater than or equal to 1, the first equality gives x times y is equal to 1. So this thing we say is equal to 1, while the second gives x equals y equals 1. Therefore, the equality occurs only at x equals y equals 1. And so this completes the proof.